Sometimes buyers do not leave a store because the products are bad. They leave because the store feels confusing. Too many directions, too many unconnected products, too much friction. And when buyers feel uncertain, they often stop shopping. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've stayed consistently in the top 300 TPT sellers. And over time, I started realizing how important buyer clarity really is. Because teachers make decisions quickly inside TPT. A lot of TPT sellers focus heavily on creating products, but eventually store structure starts mattering more and more. Because buyers are constantly asking themselves, what is this? Does this fit my needs? What should I click next? How do these products connect? And if those answers are not clear quickly, buyers often leave the store. That creates a hidden growth problem because strong TPT stores usually reduce buyer confusion. The products feel connected, the store feels organized, the pathways feel intuitive. Teachers can easily understand what the store offers and where to go next. That creates a very different buyer experience. Honestly, this became much clearer as my own store expanded because eventually I realized growth was not only about creating more, ranking higher, or increasing visibility. It was also about helping buyers move through my store more easily. That completely changed how I thought about organization, product relationships, and store structure. Sometimes growth problems are not coming from visibility alone. Sometimes buyers are arriving, but the store experience creates too much friction. A lot of TPT stores quietly lose buyers because the store structure makes shopping feel harder than it should. If your TPT store feels scattered, confusing, or difficult to grow, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder linked below. It will help you identify what is actually limiting growth inside your store so that you can make clearer strategic decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to explain why some TPT products naturally lead to additional sales, while others stay isolated one-time purchases. I will see you in the next video.